Granny got ran over by Sonic, part 2, action.
Ooh, that is not a pretty thing, a dead Granny. I'll just cover that up. No one sees it. Sonic, can I borrow some grenades? Sure, man. Well, thank you, Sonic. Oh, crap. Hi, Sonic. Oh, it was a very good show. Sonic. Hey, you don't do that to Sonic. I'm gonna walk here.
Hey, Granny, don't hurt that little kid.
She hit Sonic.
Oh, here. Oh, yeah. Target.
Found another one.
So did I. Oh, yeah.
Ooh. Watch this. 3 at a time.
Ooh la la.
Yeah. Ooh, you're a fat Granny.
Let's kick the Granny.